Hello everyone, today we will be seeing how to fix Shark Steam Mop S1000 not steam. Solution 1. Check the water tank level. The first thing to verify is that the water tank is filled with water. Without water, the steam mop will not be able to generate any steam. Remove the water tank and check the level. If it is low or empty, refill the tank with distilled water. Tap water can leave minerals deposit that can clog the system over time. Make sure to fully reattach the water tank after refilling to ensure a proper connection. Solution 2. Verify the power source and the settings. If the mop is corded, make sure it is plugged in securely to the working electrical outlet. For cordless module, ensure the battery is fully charged. Confirm you have selected the cleaning settings on the mop. There may be a button or a switch to activate the steam function. Solution 3. Inspect the water tank and the mop connection. Ensure the water tank is properly aligned and securely connected to the mop body. Any cracks or leaks in the tank or a bent water intake tube can prevent steam from being produced. Visually inspect the water tank and the connection point on the mop. Look for any sign of damage or improper alignment. Try gently wiggling the tank to ensure it is locked into place correctly. Solution 4. Clean the steam nozzle. Over time, mineral deposit and debris can build up in the steam nozzle, preventing steam from being released effectively. Use the included nozzle cleaner tool or a straightened paper clip to dislodge any blockage in the steam nozzle. Avoid using abrasive cleaners or tools that could damage the nozzle. Solution 5. Replace the mop head. Turn off the steam mop and unplug it from the power source. Lift the mop head from the mop handle. Insert the new mop head onto the mop handle, ensuring it is securely attached. Replace the mop head over if it came off during the process. Reassemble the steam mop by placing the mop head back onto the mop handle. Plug the steam mop back in and turn it on to ensure it is functioning correctly. Thanks for watching.